Raghu was a young boy, highly energetic, but hyper with high level of superiority complex. He always felt everyone else was too slow for him. He would start yelling if others could not match his pace, and this caused people to distance themselves from him. He started losing friends. His family was sad. He felt lonely. Like Raghu, are you faced with a similar situations where you feel left out? Next time you're faced with such situation that elicits strong feelings from you, pause and introspect about the situation and your response to it. You can develop emotional control by using any one of the following. 1. Take a deep breath. Instead of reacting right away, whether positively or negatively, give yourself a moment to process what just happened. 2. Find out what you're feeling. It's easy to say, I'm feeling angry because they deeply hurt me. Dig deeper. Are you angry because you're afraid they're right? Are you sad? Remember, emotions are complex and often piggyback on one another. 3. Replace negative thoughts. If your mind goes straight to how you have been wrong or how terrible everything is, divert your mind. Dwelling on negativity will only make you more prone to it, so focus on positive emotions. Change your thoughts and change your story. 4. Channelize your energy. Human emotions are incredibly powerful. Let that energy go by participating in some sort of physical activity, going for a run, or even a walk, or even shooting some hoops. 5. Explore your emotions. Why do you feel the way you do? Journaling or talking with a trusted friend or family member can help you understand why you're feeling what you do. Once you understand an emotion, it's much easier to control it.
For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to get notifications of new uploaded videos. Also, please share your comments.